Hello, I have just stopped at the car park, which I had originally set up the parking monitoring mode. When I moved the car, it worked first time. Now I have just stopped, and if I turn the car off, yeah, ACC off, then shut down. There is no parking monitoring on. Now let's turn the ignition on. And let's go to the settings. And go to the parking. Look, it is on off position. Now let's turn the G sensor trigger record again. Yeah, hopefully that's set. Yeah, that's set. Right, and now turn the ignition off. Yeah, parking monitor G sensor is on now. But whenever I restart and drive a little bit and park, it goes to the default position, off position. That is the problem I am still having. Thank you. I'm just opening the car. Let's see, it triggers or not. No, it didn't trigger. G sensor didn't trigger when I opened the door. Right, let's have a look. Is it set to the G sensor parking mode or not? Yeah, it is. And I'll start the car now. And I will drive to the home and I will see it still set to the G sensor trigger record or not. Obviously I cannot take the whole video, but I will take the video when I get home. Now I have just arrived at home, and let's see if the setting is still in G sensor trigger mode or not. I'm just gonna turn the vehicle off. Yeah, the G sensor trigger mode is on. Hello, I have left the parking sensor on. I'm just opening the door. It works or not. Let's see. No. I'll just open the door. I'll slam the door. It is not working. Just shaking the camera. No, it's still not working. Give a tap. No, it's not working. Let's slam the door again. It hasn't triggered yet. Let's see what the setting has gone to. I'll just turn the ignition on. Yeah, turn down. Let's see what is the settings. Yeah, it has gone to off position. Let's put on G sensor. Back. Version number. Yeah, that's the version number.